very lucky at Queen Square because we have large specialist clinics in all the neurodegenerative diseases, not only Alzheimer's disease, but frontotemporal dementia, dementia with Lewy bodies, motor neuron disease, Parkinson's disease, progressive supranuclear palsy. So we have specialist clinics in all of those diseases. And that gives our group, and it's not just the group led by me, but my colleagues too, opportunities to work on the genetic analyses of all of the diseases. And I think that gives us a unique insight because we don't just work on a single disease, we're working across disease areas. And so we're seeing, what the genetic risks are for all of these neurodegenerative diseases. And that's something that's really interested me. And what I think it's telling us is that in all cases, the early onset disease can be caused by an overproduction of the proteins which are deposited in the disease. But in all of the cases, a proportion of the risk of disease is for late onset, sporadic cases of the disease, is because of weaknesses in the protein degradation systems that we have for those proteins. And so I think that's given us a real insight into the relationship between early and late onset disease and makes sense in terms of what the predispositions are for late onset disease. It's a failure, if you like, of damage response in late onset diseases in general. And in each of the diseases I just mentioned, the damage response relates to a different type of damage. So my group has been really interested in that cross-disease analysis and cross-disease comparison.